Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It will surely help our channel. Happy reading!
Hey everyone, this is chapter 14 of Heroine's Revenge. Let's start reading. And ring ring. Diba? Ay, istorbo. Si Fu Tingchuan. Istorbo talaga tong taong to. Hold on a moment. I'll take the call. Hello? Fu Tingchuan? Yan, are you not at home? I've brought some gifts for you. They're with the property management. Remember to pick them up when you get back. Ba't namimigay ka pa ng regalo? I-divorce na kayo. Gifts? Why are you sending me gifts? Ba't nagpapadala ka ng regalo? Who you, Charet? We're divorced now. It's an ending and a new beginning. Starting from today, I'm officially pursuing you. Tcha! Late ka na, boy. Fu Tingchuan, I know you'll regret me. You reject me. But it's my right to pursue you, and you can't stifle that. Goodbye. Wow, ha? Ipa-possessive style pa. Are you upset? Speechless, observing. Galit yarn. Sa'yo naman niya binigay yung lahat, to. Are you finished eating? I'll take you back to your apartment. After we finish eating. Ano ba? Mali na naman. Magaling. Marami na naman mag-bash dyan. After we finish eating, I'll take you back to your apartment. I'm curious to see what Fu Tingchuan sent you as a gift. Yan. Gusto lang malaman para tatalbugan nyo siguro eh. Na natin kung anong regalo yun. So many flowers? Yeah, your boyfriend really dotes on you. Ayun yung boyfriend no, nasa likod. Wag ka dyan. This card comes with it too. I'll help you wheel the flowers in directly. Rest for a moment. I'll make a phone call. Ano kayang gagawin niya? Galit na galit. Gustong manakit ni Kuya. Ano kayang gagawin nun? Siyempre maraming red flowers yon. So anong mangyayari ngayon? What? Turns out Busian just called someone to help me with the flowers. Okay. So what are they going to do with the flowers? Will it save me the trouble to moving these flowers? Oh, di ba roses yun? Bakit yung tulips to? Is this tulips? Parang stargazer. Ano ang tawag nitong flower na to? Lilies? No, it's not lilies. What's this flower ba? Parang stargazers ano. Aren't you fond of pink? This flower should be more pleasing than roses. Ayun, tinalbugan yung roses. There's too much pollen. I can't take it. Achoo! Have these two men lost their minds, competing over who can send me more flowers? Are you catching a cold? Cold. Allergies, man, allergies. I thought he was a cold-hearted boss, but it turns out he's a world-class king of jealousy. Huh? What are you whispering about? I'm not whispering. There are too many lilies. Lilies. Lilies, ha? And I'm a bit allergic. Let's go out. You're not allergic to the roses from Fu Tingchuan. Galit na naman yan. Should I have those roses brought back? No need. I have a better solution. Shakes heads. I'll sell these flowers in my shop. A great deal. Bibenta niya. I'll move my personal items to your villa and live there. And we won't need to worry about these flowers, alright? O, di. Makikitira na lang siya sa'yo para hindi ka magselos if ever may magpadala na naman sa kanyang flowers. Okay na ba yon? Okay na? And what do we have here? Nasa labas na sila. Ayun, dala-dala na yung gamit niya. Yan, did you receive the flowers I sent you? I did. However, you might not know that I've opened a flower shop. If you hate your money, you can visit my flower shop more often. Sakan ka na lang bumili ng flowers. Sure. I'll personally go buy flowers from your shop every day. What time are you usually at the flower shop? Will I be lucky enough to run into you? May pagganon? Excited pa siya. Kunting respeto naman kay Mr. Buyan. Nasa harapan mo lang. I've bought her flower shop. When did you do that? Now. Nagpapatalbugan na naman. Decisive. Ayaw magpatalo ha. Find me a flower shop under the name Chuyan. Buy it at triple the market price and arrange for someone to manage it. Yan, I'll buy it from you at 5 times the price and then give it to you. Ano ba yan? Bibilhin nila tapos ibibigay nila. Ang klase. Kung triple yan, 5 times naman sa kanya. Hindi ginalit mo si Mr. Bu. Ano klase ba naman yan? Bibilin sa kanya tapos ibabalik din. Both of you. That flower shop was originally mine, okay? Why are you buying it and giving it to me? While you're at it, buy up all the shops on the street where the flower shop is, regardless of the cost. Fine, I can't outspend you in this. But I have something else I can give to Chuyan. Alright, let's see what would that be. Hey everyone, this is chapter 15 and let's see what's that gift of Fu Tiong-chan. Approaching. I heard you like the T-Band. They have a concert coming up and tickets are hard to come by. I have VIP tickets. Would you like to go to the concert? No. Shakes head. That was something the original host liked, not me. I don't have any interest in it. I've overlooked you in the past and I'll make it up to you in the future. Kahit gaano ka pa ka-sincere, too late na talaga. I'll keep the tickets for you. If you want to go, just give me a call. I'll go now. Alis na. No one's need you here. Kolagan, hanap na naman siya ng T-band na ticket, mga negurado. Makikipagkompetensya talaga siya kay Fu eh. Hey, I need you to purchase... Ang gastos mo ah. I don't like the T-band at all. Please don't spend money recklessly. And don't go acquiring their agency company. Di ba? Agency company talaga yung kukunin. I am not stupid. I called someone to prepare some daily necessities for you. If you're moving in with me, I have to prepare something for you. O diba? Paghahandaan niyo yung pagtira. Nakalusot. That's good. But, you know, Mr. Bu with deep pocket and jealousy can be quite handsome. Foxy. You better deal with these entanglements yourself. Or else, when I step in, things might get messy. Kulit to kulit yarn. Alright. I'll block him and ignore him from now on. Is that okay? Jelly. Si Mr. Bu. Ka na maging jelly? Ikaw naman. And what do we have here? A couple of weeks later. A couple of weeks agad? Bilis ng transition ah. After a couple of weeks, what happened? Si yan? Ay, sexy yarn. Taring. I bought a new set of underwear. Ooh, new set of underwear. O, diba? Napalunok ang kuya mo. Uh-oh. Dito naman yung Carino brutal na to. Ay, napunit. Kakabili nga lang eh. It's new. Wala na. Sira na. Ganyan siya kabutong. The next morning. Kawawa naman masyado yan. Ano nangyari sa'yo? It's early in the morning. Please restrain yourself. Pushes. Ayaw na niya. Ayaw mo na. We have to stop. I'll be heading to the flower shop later. Dodging. I'll accompany you. No need. You'll go to work. Kisses. I'll have the driver take you over. And I'll pick you up for dinner at the flower shop tonight. Eh? Dinner. O, diba? May pa-dinner na siya ngayon. Okay. I wanna keep living like this, forever in love with him. Pero di ba may, dapat 100% mo siya. Boss? Oh no, ano nangyari? Get an ambulance. Ambulance? Baka siya nahimatay. Nasagasaan siya? Nahimatay? Ano ba? Ano ba nangyari? Ba't may gunting siyang hawak? Ah, sa flower shop. Kasi may gunting eh. Opens eyes. Welcome back. 100% na ba? Nagising na siya sa vegetative state niya? What's wrong with me? Turns head. Ay, hindi pa pala siya nagising. Ito pa rin si Mr. Wu. Babe, we might have to stay in the hospital for a while. Surprised. You're calling me babe now? Oo nga, babe na, no? Tsaka baka sila magsastay sa hospital. Of course, you're the precious one I hold dear. Holds tight. Ano problema? Bakit magsastay sila sa hospital na matagal? Holds. Don't worry, I'll find the best medical team for you. You'll be alright. Ay, may sakit pa siya? Ano nangyari? Teka lang ha. Teka lang, nakakagulat ha. Let me call the doctor and they'll do another examination for you later. Teka lang, pa-explain naman. Ano bang nangyayari? Nahimatay siya, dinala siya sa ospital. Host, you've completed 98% of the mission. 98? 2% na lang? 7, I won't be staying in this world for much longer, right? Ay, di sila magsasama ni Boo. According to the system's prompt, you have a brain tumor in its advanced stages. I understand. Ay, di sila magkakasama forever. It seems I won't be able to live out my life in this world. I'm unable to grow old with Busiyan. Ah, Busiyan pala. And that's the end. Nakakaiyak naman. Alright, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye!